Gentlemen, it is time to announce the next award, News18 Showsha Reel Award for Extraordinary Performance.
So we don't have any nominations for this. We'd just like you to announce the winner.
Yeah, here you go.
So, the winner of the popular choice for an extraordinary performance, female, in Bawal, is Janhvi Kapoor.
I guess I'd like to thank News18 for giving me this award. It's always extremely encouraging when someone appreciates your work, especially for a film that I think has meant so much to me. I'd like to thank Nitesh sir for giving me what I think is a character that means a lot to me. That's a very special character. And Varun for always making me laugh on set. And the entire team of Bawal, it's been a very special journey, and I'm so glad that it got the kind of love that it did. So, thank you.
Congratulations, you're a great actress.
Congratulations, Janhvi. आप चाहे जो भी performance करती है, वो बिल्कुल आप धमाल कर देती हैं. Moving on.
Alright, so नेहा यार अच्छी फिल्म वो होती है जिसे देखने के लिए आप अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ जाएं, आपको थिएटर में कॉर्नर वाली सीट भी मिल जाए और बगल वाली सीट खाली भी हो, फिर भी आप मूवी देखकर वापस आए, सिर्फ मूवी देखकर वापस आए. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, next award is for News18 Showsha Reel Award for Best Film, and the nominees are
जवान, पठान, रॉकी और रानी की प्रेम कहानी, गदर 2,
The Showsha Reel Awards. Popular Choice Films Best Film is Animal.
मैंने देखा है आप सुबह 9 बजे काम स्टार्ट करते हैं, रात को 2:30 बजे खत्म करते हैं. ये जो मेहनत है वो तो रंग लानी है in any case.
First of all, I want to thank News18 Reel Awards for this honor, and I want to thank my entire team and the cast and crew of the film. They have worked day and night on this film, and we started this film in COVID, and everybody have worked brilliantly in this film. And especially the music means means heartbeat of our film. And Sandeep Banga Reddy means he has done a fabulous job, and he had that kind of conviction in this film, and that's why we were able to release the film of 3 hours 21 minutes.
Wow!
So thank you, Sandeep, for giving this film, and thank you News18 for this award. Thank you.
Congratulations, Bhushan ji, one more time, and the entire team of Animal.
So well deserved. Congratulations, Bhushan ji. Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am.